Before food ever reaches your plate, something quiet can begin to change it. Fermentation is controlled decay, and that's exactly why it's powerful. When food begins to break down, most people assume it's spoiled. But fermentation is different. It's decay guided by living microbes, not chaos, but order. These microbes soften food, reduce harsh compounds, and unlock nutrients our bodies struggle to access on their own. What looks like food going bad is actually food becoming gentler, more digestible, more alive. This is why fermented foods last longer, taste deeper, and feel lighter in the body. Fermentation doesn't destroy food, it transforms it slowly, naturally, with the time doing the work. If you enjoy calm, thoughtful explorations of fermentation and living foods, consider liking this video and subscribe to Brewnaries.